Magic Quiz presents a new personality test. Pick a smile to find out what type of personality you are. There are 12 questions. Pick one answer and count your stars to see your result. Turn on your notification and now enjoy my magic quiz. Question 1. Pick the tree you would draw. Question 2. Pick an abstract image you like. Question 3. Pick a color combination. Question 4. Pick a face. Question 5. Pick a girl. Question 6. Pick a window. Question 7. Pick a place to be. Question 8. Pick a sentence that suits you. You like to party. You like to help. You like to dream. Question 9. Pick a movie. Question 10. Pick a quote. Question 11. Pick the celebrity you like. Question 12. Pick a sweet pet. So, what do you think? Like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thanks a lot. Ready for the results? Make sure you added your stars correctly. From 12 to 16 stars. Your personality is the artist. For you, if you can imagine something, it can be done. Your best qualities are to realize a vision, to be creative and perfectionist. From 17 to 21 stars. Your personality is the rebel. For you, rules are made to be broken. Your best qualities are to overturn what isn't working and radical freedom. From 22 to 26 stars. Your personality is the wizard. For you, making things happen is what matters. Your best qualities are to live by your vision and find solutions for your dreams. From 27 to 31 stars. Your personality is the leader. For you, power isn't everything, it's the only thing. Your best qualities are to be responsible, to seek prosperity and success. From 32 to 36 stars. Your personality is a hero. For you, if there is a will, there is a way. Your best qualities are to be as strong and competent as possible. Magic Quiz, thanks you for your support. Let me know your result and thoughts in the comments below. Here are some more magic quizzes for you. Check them out.